How to find the cheapest flight tickets in 2025. Travel hacks airlines don't want you to know. If you're planning to travel in 2025, listen up, because flight prices are higher than ever. But what most people don't know is that airlines use dynamic pricing algorithms that can change ticket prices dozens of times a day. The good news? There are simple, proven strategies that can help you beat the system and find the cheapest flight tickets every single time. In this video, we'll break down the 7 best hacks to save hundreds of dollars on flights this year with tools, timing tricks, and hidden websites that frequent travelers swear by.
1. The perfect time to book. First, let's talk timing. The myth says book early, but the truth is booking too early or too late both cost you more. For domestic flights, the sweet spot is usually 1 to 3 months before departure. For international trips, 2 to 8 months in advance tends to give you the best prices. But if you're traveling during the holidays, add at least another month. And here's a pro tip: Tuesday and Wednesday are still the cheapest days to fly and book. Airlines often release discounted fares midweek, while weekends show inflated prices.
Number 2. Use secret flight search websites. Most travelers only check one site, but smart travelers compare across multiple platforms that use different data sources. Here are a few secret or lesser-known websites that consistently find cheaper fares. Skyscanner is great for flexible date searches. Kiwi.com combines airlines that don't normally cooperate. Google Flights has powerful filters and price tracking. Momondo sometimes finds hidden budget routes other sites miss. And FlightConnections.com helps you spot creative layover routes. Try searching the same trip on all of them. You'll often find price differences of up to 30 to 40%. Number 3. Search in incognito mode. Yes, your browser history can work against you. Airlines and travel sites use cookies to track searches and may raise prices if they detect repeated interest in a route. To avoid this, always use incognito mode, Control-Shift-N, or search from a different device or VPN location. This small step can sometimes save you $50 to $100 on the exact same ticket.
4. Set fare alerts. Instead of constantly checking prices, let technology do the work. Tools like Hopper, Skyscanner alerts, and Google Flights Track Prices feature can automatically notify you when fares drop for your chosen destination. Some even predict whether prices will rise or fall, saving you from guessing games.
5. Be flexible with dates and airports. Flexibility is your biggest money saver. Even changing your departure day by 1 or 2 days can make flights hundreds of dollars cheaper. Also, don't forget to check alternate airports. Smaller or nearby airports often have lower fees and better deals. Example, flying into Brussels instead of Paris or Milan instead of Venice can sometimes cut your ticket price in half.
6. Take advantage of airline errors and flash sales. Every now and then, airlines accidentally publish error fares, tickets that are dramatically cheaper due to system glitches or currency mistakes. Websites like Secret Flying, Fly for Free, and The Flight Deal track these and alert you when they happen. If you're fast enough, you can grab tickets that are up to 80% off the normal price.
7. Use points, miles, and credit card perks. If you travel often, consider signing up for a travel rewards card or airline loyalty program. Even if you don't fly often, cards like Chase Sapphire, Capital One Venture, or Amex Platinum let you earn miles on everyday spending, which you can redeem for free or discounted flights later. Pro travelers often combine points with fare alerts for the best of both worlds, paying less and earning more. So there you have it. 7 powerful ways to find the cheapest flight tickets in 2025. Whether it's using secret websites, smart timing, or automated alerts, these strategies can easily save you hundreds of dollars every year.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning their next trip. And in the next video, we'll reveal the top 5 travel hacks airlines don't want you to know. So stay tuned.